Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how to duplicate your Shopify store. So let's jump in. On the left hand side, you'll see the apps tab. You're going to tap on this, and then we are going to go all the way down to all recommended apps. And at the bottom, you'll find the Shopify app store link. Now, alternatively, you can just go ahead and dial in apps.shopify.com. It'll take you directly here. And here we want to go ahead and type in Duplify. All right, we hit enter and it'll bring up a couple of results, but the one that you're looking for is this one over here. Okay, it's duplicate your store, and the logo looks like two D's. So we're going to go ahead and tap on that and tap on install, and from here you will be asked for permission to connect this app to your Shopify store. We're going to go ahead and tap on install. So now you can see that this has been installed, and this is the page. Okay, you can see it on the left hand side over here under apps. Now it does say that you need to install Duplicate on all of the stores so you can sync your data. Now the two options that you have is you want to export your data out. That means if you want to take this store and duplicate it to another store, this is the option. Okay, if you want to duplicate another store, you'll need to go into that store, all right, and do the same steps. So we're going to take this store, all right, and what I've done is I've got a second store which you need to create, and this is what it looks like. The same interface, but at the top here you can see this is the My Store and this is the main store. So what I want to do is I'm going to take this store over here, and I'm going to go ahead and say I want to export data to this store. So you're going to go ahead, copy this unique key, and we're going to go back to this page. Okay, and let's just close these guys to make our lives super simple, and we're going to now go and say start export. So here you're going to create the destination store unique key. Okay, that's the key that we saved from here, that we copied from here. So now you're going to go ahead and you can enter a notification email in over there, and if you would like to see Duplicate in action, you can go ahead and start with a demo. It gives you 5 products to be exported to your destination store. So we can just go ahead and say start a full export. We're going to tap on that, and over here you can see it's asking to sync products. It'll ask you a few details, so you can set the state of products in the destination store. So we can say active or inherent from source store, or we can just throw them straight into draft. And then collections as well, you'll have some information that they offer you here, and you're going to go ahead at the bottom here and you're going to tap on start export. All right, now with the free plan you don't get to export all of these options over here. However, if you would like to sign up, you can go ahead and do so, and you can export all of these options as well. We're going to tap on start export, and now you can see you will have to choose a plan. So you can go ahead, you can choose any one of these, and once you have chosen the plan, you will then enter in your payment details. You will then make the purchase, and your store will then be duplicated. So if you go ahead now to your store that you've put your data to, this store will have both your first store as well as its own data, including products and whatever other details you decided you wanted to export. Now, if this video was helpful, go ahead and drop us a like. We'll see you in another awesome video. Cheers for now.